The railway is a part of our everyday life. Some people take commuter trains every day, others travel by train once a year on vacation. It seems simple enough: rails, sleepers, and a train running on schedule. But in reality, something is always happening on the railway. Before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Sometimes nature intervenes in such a way that trains have to go right through water. Heavy rains or overflowing rivers flood the tracks, and in these moments train drivers have to make tough decisions. Is it possible to move on, or is it better to stop and wait? For some, these scenes look amazing. The train is moving, and there's a real river all around.
Ебать его, урод! Вот это красивый кадр, блядь!
Sometimes there are problems with the tracks themselves. Somewhere the rails get worn out or become warped, and because of this, cars can derail. It's always an unpleasant situation. Traffic gets stopped, there's repair work to do, and it costs time and nerves. But fortunately, it usually doesn't lead to serious consequences, because people are constantly monitoring the tracks, technicians and maintenance crews.
Медленно, медленно не понимает.
Вот тихо, тихо, пошел сейчас, тихо, тихо. Пошел сейчас, тихо, тихо. Тихо, тихо, мама. Давай, пошел, пошел. Пошел, 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 вот так, дай, дай.
Давай, дай, дай.
Пошел.
Потихоньку.
Пошел.
Потихоньку.
Тихо.
Тихо, тихо. Так, потихоньку.
Еще пошел.
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 Давай.
Давай.
Ух ты, ёб твою мать, в этот момент должен
Давай,
это.
давай, 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 давай. Пошел, вот так вот, иди.
Давай.
Иди, 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 иди.
Еще. Давай, там нормально.
Иди.
Нормально, наружу становится.
Иди.
Иди.
Еще чуть-чуть, сантиметров 15.
Иди.
Все.
Чуть-чуть дай вперед.
Accidents often happen not because of the railway itself, but because of ordinary carelessness. Every year, so many cars get stuck on railway crossings. Some drivers are in a hurry, some think they can outrun the train, but in the end, the car stalls right on the tracks. A train can't stop within just a few meters, so drivers only have a few seconds to sound the horn and at least try to brake. Fortunately, in many cases people manage to get out in time, but the risk is huge. But let's not forget, the railway is not only about risks. It's also about the incredible romance of travel. Who hasn't dreamed of taking a train somewhere someday? Through snowy fields, green forests, past cities waking up, so many people find inspiration in the rhythm of the wheels and the ever-changing scenery outside the window. Today, the railway is evolving, new high-speed lines are being built, and advanced technologies are being used. Trains are becoming quieter, safer and faster, and people are becoming more aware and attentive. Every accident story teaches engineers and train drivers how to make the next trip even safer.
Aquí Notisistema informando. Hasta aquí mi reporte.
For many people, a train is something warm and cozy. Someone remembers taking the train to visit their grandmother during school holidays. Someone went to the sea or to the mountains with friends. A train has its own special atmosphere. Tea in a glass with a metal holder, unhurried conversations, the sound of the wheels, and forests, fields, and small stations passing by outside the window. Many people love traveling by train because it gives you a chance to slow down and think about your own things. It's not like a plane, where everything is fast, or a car, where you always have to stay focused on driving. And what about you? What does the railway mean to you? Have you had your own stories? Maybe a trip that changed your life? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Oh great, now I got stay in my car.